In this video, I will explain why glaciers are considered natural archives of the climate. You will learn how glaciers store information about past climate conditions. Glaciers are large, slow-moving masses of ice that spread across land. They form when more snow falls than melts in the summer. Over time, the ice compacts and forms thick layers. These layers can provide crucial clues about the climate of the past. The layers of a glacier form through the accumulation of snow and ice in the winter, which compresses in the summer. These layers are like tree rings and provide insight into weather conditions. The thicker the layer, the more snow or rain fell in a year. Researchers can analyze these layers to reconstruct past climates. Glaciers store information such as temperature and precipitation that are trapped in the layers. Air bubbles within the ice contain traces of gas molecules that were once part of the atmosphere. These gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, help scientists the composition of the air in past times. Thus, glaciers serve as climate archives. Researchers drill deep into glaciers to extract ice samples. These samples contain layers that may be thousands of years old. Using specialized equipment, they examine the chemical composition of the ice. From this data, they can infer temperature changes and climatic developments. Glaciers are an important indicator of climate change. When temperatures rise, glaciers melt faster, and the ice disappears. This indicates that the climate is changing. Glaciers, therefore, serve as a sensitive gauge for the effects of climate change. Today, many glaciers around the world are melting. This process is accelerated by climate change, which causes higher temperatures. The melting of glaciers has impacts on sea level and the environment. It is crucial to monitor melting rates to better understand global changes. When glaciers melt, the water flows into the oceans, contributing to sea level rise. A higher sea level can flood coastal areas and endanger the lives of many people. This is another reason why the global melting of glaciers needs to be closely watched. Glaciers themselves cannot be directly protected, as they are natural formations. However, it is essential to combat climate change to slow down their melting. This can be achieved through actions like reducing greenhouse gases and protecting forests. Protecting glaciers is part of global environmental protection. Glaciers are not only important climate archives, but also critical for the water supply of many regions. They feed rivers that serve as drinking water sources in various areas. The loss of glaciers could lead to water scarcity in the long term, making their protection crucial.